Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. In video I want to upload the channel at the video about SD-WAN. Is a tutorial about SD-WAN. What's SD-WAN and what is function and the other like that. Okay. Um, this video for the assessment, week assessment from Mr. Daddy. Yeah. Uh, is give uh, assessment about the SD-WAN. We're gonna uh, to yeah like what uh, the SD-WAN function. Okay. This lab uh, is the ins enterprise structure lab. Yes, please make out. This CCIA, yes, CLC, CCAA, if NG, if NG is like chemistry and peanut lab, like that is a simulation for the network. Okay, in this video about SD-WAN is SD-WAN is DSEC is one of the most crucial network technologies. It's SD-WAN is, and this lab uh, we're gonna to use EVNG to simulate the real environment. If we look the at this complex scheme, there is a data center, branch, and various ESP connection. In the past, in the past, managing the network is large and traditional VHLE on each other, router one by one, is very time consuming and prone to human error. This is where SD-WAN or software definite wide area network comes in the solution. This solution about the the big network today. In the past, business specialized hardware like to connect different office. SD-WAN save the control from the hardware and software. In SD-WAN is have three key features. Is one is a dynamic path selection. It's a app automatically send data over the fast and most reliable connection available, like fiber, 5G, and broadband. And two is a centralized management. This administrator can control the entire network from one single interface instant and configuring every return manually. And three is a cost efficiency. It reduce the need for expensive private lease line like MPLS by using more operable internet connection without sacrificing security. Okay. In the question in the SD-WAN about SD-WAN, uh, what makes SD-WAN smart? Okay. To understand how SD-WAN works, we need to look at the truth to different layer, the underlay and the overlay. Things of it like a GPS navigation system, the software working on top and physical route the infrastructure. The underlying network is actually physical infrastructure that provide connectivity. It is the pipe that carries your data. Definition: the underlying physical network provided by internet is a ESP. Example like a fiber optic cable, MPLS, broadband, or 4 and 5G cellular data. Like that. And analogy is the underlie is like a roots, the height-wise. It doesn't care about the car you drive. It is a job is simply to assist as a path from point A to point B. And this lab have sorry. In this lab have the BGP internet for the internet SP and uh, have a global SP1 and SP2 here. And in the overlay network is where SD-WAN magic happens. It's a virtual network built on the top of the underlay. It's a virtual software layer that creates secure tunnel between location regardless of what the underlay is. And it's a key function. It's a spare part of network logic from the physical hardware. This allow the network to be a software definitely. And in the Cisco SD-WAN, it operates on the separated architecture where the brand, the manage, and the actual hardware are split into different software components. These are commonly referred to as the SD-WAN controllers. This one is a vManage, is a management plan. vManage is a single pane of the glass UI is used by network engineers to interact with the entire network. The what is the function is use the centralized configuration via templates, day-to-day monitoring, and large-scale software upgrades. Analogy, think of it as a dashboard of a car where you control the setting and see the status of the engine. And uh, that's manage every like a brand is a manage every function or every uh, structure in the SD-WAN Cisco. In the Fishmart is the control plan. Fishmart is the brand of the solution. It's a manage the logic and the routing of the entire fabric. This function is a implement policies and calculate the best paths for data. It's a use the OMP overlay management protocol to distribute the routing information, security keys, and policies to the each routers. Analogy like thing of the air traffic controller ATC that's tells every pilot router that is a safety and efficient to take that. And in this Smart is like to in the branch get the information about the router in the like router center like that and that get the file and other from the center in the Smart for the manage that and uh, Smart to manage the security is for the security about the entire branch and for like for the branch is get depolitized from the center. Okay. So it's distributes routing information from the central router to the branch in the one location to smart. And in the tree is a keyboard or orchestration plan. In the software is like glue, like glue, or the network is initial of the contact for the network. The function is it's orchestrates the connection between a component when a new router uh, is plugged in the Pibon authenticates it, ensure it's authorized to join, and then tell it how to find the PMinutes and PSmart controller. Analogy, think of the security guard or receptionist who checks your ID before letting you into the building and telling you which office uh, to go like a pivot like that in the workflow. How to branch join the network? First is authentication. Yeah, Pibon is the each router called the home to the Pibon controller. Pibon checks the router, the serial number and certificate. If the device is legitimate, and Pibon share the IP address of PMAT and PSmart, which the router this the zero touch meeting. So that is a configuration. Via PMAT is once the router knows where manage is established and secure connection. Vmanage identifies the router and push the pre-configured template to the device. The router is now fully configured without a human effort every touching the console port. And after that is intelligence and routing via vSmart. It's a final. The router connect vSmart, the exchange routing information via OMP. vSmart adds router reflector is the branch how to reach brand B and which patch fiber or LPL like that is really to the best to use. We know what the SD-WAN is and what component it includes, such as vMods, vMinute, and vBond. We make to try to look at the configuration of the Cisco lab, starting with the here. I'm gonna to starting with vSmart. Gonna to check what the configuration in vSmart to what to to config and manage this router and the other. First, we're gonna do the after we click that we to go to the CLI, and this we're gonna to check it the enable after that uh configure run. Okay, in this we're gonna get the name and this IP address for the configure the router, and and many configuration we get here. Okay, form the data base. Okay, after the routing table in this manage, you're gonna to be smart, and here enable first in CLI and show run. Okay, we get the IP address here and the IP route, routing route for every smart, and to router is a router what the configure. Okay, this configure uh, uh, any is a or and configure like the loopback interface loopback, and this have a tunnel and interface physical like this is the tunnel and this physical in the router. Okay, after that is a grp for the routing. After that we check it the this r22 this router. Okay, we need to check it. Okay, this have a BGP. Okay, BGP same like AGRPN or SPF, but its scale is for the world, for the city, and for the, yeah, for the words is how to one country to communication other country. We're gonna to ask the BGP, and BGP is uh, like for us for the world, and uh, and what and this scale uh for the world. Okay, so that we're gonna to see the configure in uh branch, or I want to run in global SP1 is waiting, that's right. And we're gonna to check it's the branch. Okay, this brand is a global SPO2 is configure this suite is configure the address IP address, and in this SP1 this router uh, Sam have configure, this have a configure, and this uh, configure alike. Okay, I'm to access the GUI from SD-WAN. Okay, to access the SD-WAN after the topology CCIA, we're gonna to first we're gonna to check config is external. To configure with external, uh, we're gonna to ask the putty here. Right. This the the interface first to wait. Okay, after that we're gonna to check it. And, yeah, password is admin to, wait, login is admin, and this password is this. uh, wait, okay, and wait, gonna control V, enter, it's work on that. We want wait to manual to manual input here. Okay, it's login. After that, okay, after that, I want to check the configuration. So run here. Okay. Okay, this all configure uh, at the vmanage, yeah. we have this VPN 0 and IP route, yeah, and all. Okay, after that we're gonna to check the GUI here, and not maybe I want gonna to use this. I'm gonna to we enter the IP here. Gonna to enter the IP. But to enter this IP, we're gonna to is secure because we don't use the HTTPS. It's the web. It's not because we not I'm not use the HTTPS. The dashboard GUI dashboard is in few minutes is done open because that's not secure, but in HTTPS it's secure. And login the dashboard, yeah. Okay, login the dashboard. First, you're gonna enter the name. Name is admin. Wait. Name is admin. Check check it in IOE. You're gonna check this name and this password to login that. Wait. This to it's it. Okay, and this username. Okay, and login. I think it's wait this. Gonna to maybe admin, yeah, and the password same like here in here is go. We're gonna to check it as okay. Wait, oh, we're gonna to, for you to enter DS. Okay, login in the dashboard. Upon that HTML is a single pane of glass view to the monitoring. To like the monitoring is like you're going to see the site health like or health or tunnel, and one is health here, transport health, and gonna can see all device is connected here. Can control status, we're gonna to check it out and have it the certificate is have VBON, VMinet and vSmart, yeah, and license is okay, and the tunnel, we can see the tunnel, yeah, it's a word or not for the forwarding or yes, forwarding the communication or IP address like that. This application hall, and this have a security, and this VPN is one edge short and more configuration. maybe in the few minutes, design to be intuitive and user to friendly. Even for the beginner to configure, it's a feature visual overview of the entire network fabric, certificate status, and security feature like firewall. This graphical approach is much simpler, and manage complex networks through traditional command lines with GLI and this or the GUI. This GUI. Okay. Uh, Maybe that's all about what or the what is SD-WAN. Uh, Thank you for watching. See you next time for another video. Goodbye.